3 actions necessary to heal ourselves. This is one of the most compressed guides, the simplified map to your health. So, in order to start healing ourselves, we actually have to stop taking toxins into our system. Then we start process of detoxifying the systems, and finally we regenerate our systems of the body. But these 3 actions are happening simultaneously on 4 levels: on physical level, mental, social, and environmental. Let us explain each of these levels. First, to restore balance on physical level, we need to stop or reduce taking into body toxic food, water, air, household products, and be influenced by electromagnetic pollution. Then in second stage we detoxify whole body, all system, intestinal cleansing, colon detox, heavy metal cleanse, kidney cleanse, gallbladder, lymph, liver, blood cleanse, and parasite cleanse. Regenerate all body systems by sufficient sleep time. You cannot overemphasize it. We need 8 to 9 hours, and it's must for most people. We should also exercise for life, even if you are ill. Some stretching and some breathing exercises daily are not only to make a big difference, but are necessary. We need water, and we need to drink at least 2 liters or 2 quarts of pure water every day, in addition to our food intake. It is desirable to drink alkaline water of higher pH level. Then meditation and relaxation. Use whatever works for you to help relax. Start with just observing or becoming aware of your breathing. Learn a meditation or pray quietly, morning and evening. Use a herbal relaxation tonic if it is needed. Implement daily and seasonal routines into your life. By herbs, minerals, and frequencies, we can restore or regenerate our body systems. So, herbs is obvious, minerals as well as different vitamin and mineral formulas, but frequency is a new area, reasonably new, and we use a technology like frequency generators and other quantum technology based equipment, and it is very useful and important, specifically for older people and people who are already weakened by disease, so they cannot easily apply natural self-healing methods or they don't have strong will. Also for very busy people who do not have time to generate results by natural methods, the technological methods that we can apply are very useful. And then the third case is when natural remedies are not easily available. We can use technology. For example, when we travel different cities, different countries, it is really useful to have a little device that you can take it with you, and it can help you really restore your inner balance and regenerate. To restore balance on mental and emotional level, we need to return to the self by getting time to regenerate yourself. Sleep 8 to 9 hours. Follow healthy daily and seasonal routine according to your body type. And meditate or transcend or get beyond your thoughts and disturbing feelings and emotions daily. Choose good, effective meditation or relaxation technique. I like TM that provides regular transcending and peak experiences for self-actualization. To restore balance on social level, or to restore our relations, we need to find a way to allow our natural personal creative expressions. Start giving and sharing whatever we might have. Start thinking how to help others in need. Meditate or relax to get to know who you are and how interconnected and interdependent human race is. To restore balance on environmental level, we need to spend more time in nature discovering our original and most nourishing habitat. Do meaningful activities in wilderness. Protect it from urbanization. Do your gardening, even in the room in the city would help. Devote time to observing life in nature and experience interdependence. To make this practice smooth and easy to start, I created 12 easy steps to regain your health. Improved as we go ahead. The following are simple recommendations that you can start incorporating into your life now. Be aware of toxicity of your personal care and cleaning products. Read the ingredients in your personal care and cleaning products. Try using natural substances to clean, such as baking soda, powder, or vinegar. Eat fresh organic foods grown without pesticides, synthetic fertilizers, and other chemicals. It can avoid the fish with the highest mercury content, such as shark, swordfish, king mackerel, and tuna. Consume wild instead of farmed. Consume whole foods that have not been processed or refined as little as possible, like fresh fruits and vegetables, good fats such as olive oil, coconut oil, nuts and seeds, and whole grains such as quinoa and brown rice. Avoid sugar. It attacks like a toxin in the body by creating inflammation in the system, which can lead to pain in the body, blood sugar issues, and cardiovascular disease. It decreases immune function and limits the liver effective filtering of the blood. Eat more frequently throughout the day, but smaller amounts. Eating small breakfast, lunch, and dinner until you are 2/3 full with healthy snacks in between is a good way to keep blood sugar steady, keep your energy levels high, and helps lose some extra weight. Exercise for at least 20 minutes per day to reduce blood sugar levels, lower blood pressure, increase your sense of well-being, shed weight, improve mood, get rid of toxins, improve bone health, etc. Have at least 8 hours of sleep per night and go to bed by 10 p.m. It is important for our bodies to grow and repair tissues and have enough energy throughout the day. It affects our immune system, improves brain health, and allows us to process new information. Practice deep breathing exercises to improve lung health and reduce daily stress, anxiety, and your heart rate. Starting by breathing deeply in through your nose to fill your chest and then out through your mouth. Drink 1 cup of filtered water every hour of your work daily to help your body regulate its fluid balance, get rid of toxins, transport nutrients, helps the bowels and kidneys function better, and more. Consume half of your body weight in ounces per day. Activate digestion by adding small amounts of lemon juice or apple cider vinegar in some water before each meal. This will increase digestion by increasing stomach acid and enzymes necessary for breaking down your food properly for better assimilation and absorption in lower digestive tract. Take supplements as needed. If you eat toxic food, then you need to detox and cleanse your system more often. The same applies to energy enhancers, joint support, stress reducers, and similar natural formulas. Most of us are not perfect in our dietary habits, but we may gradually improve. Introduce one healthy day each week, 1 day of juice fast. Your body has great ability to repair itself. Give it a chance. Vegetable and fresh fruit juices are most acceptable combination for beginners. But the vegetable juices contain less sugar and are more alkaline, therefore more effective for you. Fast 1 day a week on a juice. You may include chlorella and spirulina too. If you seriously distorted your health, start the juice fast immediately. Drink a glass full of juice every hour, up to 4 liters, 1 gallon a day, and it should be repeated until health is normalized. To make your natural health process faster, we detoxify and cleanse our colon, liver, kidneys, and blood and parasites 4 times per year, ideally at the change of seasons, or at least 2 times at spring and fall. Running terrain protocol using Spooky2 Rife Machine. It helps us detox parasites, die-offs, mercury, chemicals, heavy metals, and other systems toxins from your full body system, including your liver, kidneys, digestive tract, blood, lymph, intestines, and more. Terrain protocol will also support your organs and do maintenance to your body system. You are free to do anything while running the program and will not be tethered to any machine since the treatment is done remotely. Healing your body is more than your health of organs, systems, cells, biochemistry, and other. It involves functions of your mind, your soul, and your body, your family, and environment, and you need it all. Take care of the whole you. Get started now. You already have some of the keys. Yours is to unlock and find your inner solutions and answers. When we understand how to get our whole system in balance, then we can start eliminating specific health problems. In the next videos, I will explain in more details how to detox and start describing actions necessary to heal specific health problems. If you wish to receive our next video gift, subscribe here.